Hello everyone. I am the faculty member of Bidwan classes. So today we are going to study about the basic concept of mathematics. As you know, we are always dedicated for you. So today's concept is basic concept about mathematics. You know, the foundation, if the foundation of a building will be strong, then the whole building is strong. Yes or no? So similarly, here also, if the foundation of mathematics will be strong, then the whole concept and the everywhere going to the mathematics will be strong. So the foundation of mathematics is known as the number system. So today we are going to start our concept number system. Okay. So number system. So what do you mean by number systems? Okay. So what do you mean by number system? Means some collection of numbers. Okay, some collection of set of numbers are known as number system. There are several types of number systems, but here today we are discussing about the real number system. Okay, so real number system. So before going to the real number system, first of all we have to discuss what do you mean by the natural numbers. Okay, so first one is natural number. Natural numbers. So students, what do you mean by natural numbers? You all know which are got the natures. Okay, so those are coming from natures. That means generally all the counting numbers are known as the natural numbers, which starting from 1 up to so on. Clear? So generally natural numbers we can denote it as n. So we can write down like this 1, 2, 3 up to dot dot so on. Not exactly infinity, because infinity is not a number. Okay, so we can write down 1, 2, 3 up to so on, not exactly infinity, because infinity is not a number. It's just a denomination where we denoted as there are several numbers. How many numbers? There are infinitely many numbers present in that set, but not exactly infinity. We can write down 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So what do you mean by natural number? Now generally all the counting numbers which starting from 1 up to so on. Clear? So now which is the smallest natural number? Now the smallest natural number is 1. But the largest natural number, which is the largest natural number? We can't say about largest natural number, because if we take a big number, then we add one more, we get a more bigger number than the previous number. So that's why we can't say which is the largest natural number here. Okay. So these are the concept of natural numbers. Then we come across in second thing, the whole numbers. So what do you mean by whole numbers? Whole numbers means what? So these are nothing but these are the extended of natural number. Okay. So we can write down whole number as n star also, as well as w. Why? Because we extended the natural number set by adding some number. That number is 0. So we can say that a whole number means what? Now all the natural numbers along with 0. So 0 के साथ साथ सारे natural number को हम क्या बोल सकते हैं ना whole number बोल सकते हैं. Clear? So all the natural numbers along with 0. 0 के साथ साथ सारे natural number ले जाओ तो हमें मिलता है whole number. Clear? So which is the smallest whole number here? Now easily we can say that 0 is the smallest whole number. But the largest whole number, similarly we can't say about the largest whole number. Why? Because if we take a big number, then we add one more, we get a more bigger number than the previous number. So the reason is same here also. So the whole number means what? Now all the natural number along with 0. Clear? So now then we come across the integers. Okay. So integers. So what do you mean by integers? Okay. Some of the students said integers means the positive and negative numbers are integer, but this is wrong. Why? Because if you take minus 2 by 3 is also a negative number, and the 2 by 3 is a positive number, but these are not the integers. Yes or no? So what is the proper definition of integer? No, we can say that integers are, we always know integers are denoted as z as well as I also. Okay, so what do you mean by integer? Means what? We can use our previous knowledge. So we know the whole number starting from 0 up to so on. Yes or no? So we can say that all the whole numbers along with negative of natural number, -1, -2 up to so on. Yes or no? So see, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या दिखते हैं, देखो कि all the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on, all the whole numbers along with negative of natural number means what? -1, -2 up to so on. Clear? So here we can't say about both the smallest and largest integer. Why? Because which is the smallest integer? The negative of largest natural number. But we can't say about the negative largest integers. Okay? So that's why. So we can't say about the smallest integer and the largest integer also. But which is the smallest positive integer? And this is 1. 1 is called the smallest positive integer. Okay? And the and 0, याद रखो ये important things. कुछ स्टूडेंट बोल देते हैं कि 0 को पॉजिटिव इंटीजर नॉट. So 0 is a special type of integer which is neither be positive nor be negative. Okay, so 0 is a special type of integer which is neither be positive nor be negative. So 1 is only the smallest positive integer, and we can't say about which is the smallest and the largest integer here. Okay, then we come across which number? After integer we come across the rational numbers. Okay, so now we discuss about rational number. You already know about the rational numbers. What do you mean by rational numbers? You know, so all the numbers which can be represented in the form of p by q, yes or no, are known as the rational number. Also, there are 3 conditions here. What? Now, if we take x is a set of the rational number, we can write down like this: x as that x equal p by q, where condition number 1. What is the condition here? Now p, q both are belongs to z, यानी कि p, q both are क्या होना चाहिए? Integers होना चाहिए. Then second condition is q not equal 0, यानी कि the denominator should not be equal 0. Okay. Then p, q are co-primes. This is the important concept. Okay. So what? See. So x equals p by q. That means any number can be represented in the form of p by q are known as the rational numbers, where p, q both are integer and q not equal 0 and p, q are co-primes. So let's discuss the first condition. p, q both are integer except 0. p, q दोनों का दोनों क्या होना चाहिए? Integers हो सकते हैं, but q 0 नहीं होगा, denominator 0 नहीं होगा. Why? If the q becomes 0, then the number will be undefined. That's why we can't take denominator as 0. So q not equal 0. Okay. Then we come across the p, q are co-primes. So what do you mean by co-primes? Do you know about co-prime numbers? Okay. See, co-prime means what? The 2 numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factor other than 1. 1 के अलावा और कुछ भी common factor नहीं होगा. कैसे? Suppose we take 6. So what are their factors? 2, 3, 6 and 1. Yes or no? Again we take another number, say 4. What are their factors? 2, 4 and 1. So find out their common factors. Which is the common in both numbers? The factor is 1 only common here. And again 2 is also common here. So there are 2 common factors present in 6 and 4. That's why these are not co-prime. This is composite number. Then we take 3 and 5. So here 3 means what? In 3, what are their factors? 1 and 3. And in 5, 1 and 5 are the factors. What are their common factors? There is only one common factor as 1. That's why these are the co-prime numbers. Clear? Co-prime numbers means what? Now there is no common factor other than 1. 1 का अलावा और कुछ भी common factor नहीं होगा. इन दोनों के बीच में केवल 1 ही एक common factor होगा. So these are the known as the co-prime numbers. So this point is very very essential whenever you going to prove the irrationality of any numbers. Okay? So now see. If we talk about the decimal expansion, if we talk about the decimal expansion of rational numbers, so you know that what type of decimal expansion contain any rational number. Okay? So the decimal expansion is always either terminating or non-terminating but repeating or recurring. Okay, clear? So what do you mean by terminating decimal expansion? Means the decimal expansion, the remainder will be 0. If you divide something, the remainder will be 0. Then we know that the decimal expansion will be terminating. Similarly, the non-terminating means what? Their remainder will not be 0. Like this 3.145. So this is a terminating decimal expansion. But non-terminating means 3.333 ... This is the non-terminating decimal expansion. So what is the condition here? Either terminating means like this, or non-terminating but repeating. They should be repeat. देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है 333 रिपीट हो रहा है ना. That's why these are the non-terminating. Terminate नहीं हो रहा है, खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, as well as वो repeat हो रहा है. That's why the decimal expansion of rational number we can say that the non-terminating, but repeating. तो repeat हो रहा है but terminate नहीं हो रहा है. So उसको बोलते हैं rational number. Like this number we can know that this is the rational number. Clear? Okay. Then we come across, after rational number we discuss the irrational numbers. Okay. So irrational numbers. So irrational numbers. Now see, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So what do you mean by irrational numbers? Now simply we can say that those are the not rational, and those are the not in the form of p by q, where q not equal. These are the irrational number. But exact definition is all the non-terminating and non-repeating numbers are known as the irrational numbers. Means what? Their decimal expansion should be non-terminating and non-repeating. Clear? So non-terminating and non-repeating numbers means like this. Okay, 3.10. Okay, 100, then 1000, 1000001 ... like this. Okay, so these are the non-terminating and non-repeating also. So these are known as the irrational numbers. And you know well, the pi is also an irrational number. How? The exact value of pi is 3.1459 ... something. Okay, so these are also non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. That's why pi is also an irrational number. But you say, sir, we may take pi as 22/7 and pi as well as 3.14. So these are the terminating and these are the rational. But not exactly. This is not the exact value of pi. Okay, these are the absolute value of pi. We take their absolute value but not exact value or approximate value. We take here approximate value of pi. Clear? Okay, so generally all the numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating are known as the irrational numbers. Clear? I hope all are clear about the rational and irrational number here. Clear? चलो, तो आगे दिखते हैं कि ये जो हम numbers पढ़े इतने सारे, तो वो क्या होता है ना, ये सब का सब यदि मिला लेंगे तो हमें मिलता है क्या ना, रियल नंबर. सो व्हाट all the natural numbers and the whole numbers and integers and rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, these are known as combination of all these numbers are known as the real numbers. But we simply can say that the combination of rational and irrational are known as the real number. How? See, one thing here. We are going to relate all these numbers. Okay, so all the natural numbers. So natural numbers 1, 2, 3 up to so on, and the whole number will be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, and integers are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Okay, again the rational number means that x is that x equal p by q, where p, q both are belongs to z and q not equal to 0. Okay, like this. So now see what will be happen. All the natural numbers are whole number, yes or no? All the natural numbers are whole number, yes or no? Yes, definitely all the natural numbers are whole number. And all the natural numbers are integer. How? Because integer contain 1, 2, 3 up to so on. So all the natural numbers are also integer. And all the natural numbers are also rational. Yes or no? How? Because we can represent all the natural number in the form of p by q. How? Simply put the denominator as 1. Okay, so these are the rational also. So similarly, all the whole numbers are also integers, yes or no? Because integers contain all whole numbers. And all the whole numbers are also rational. How? Because 0 by 1 is also an rational number. Clear? 0 by 1 is also a rational number. How? 0 by 1 is well defined, yes or no? The meaning of 0 by 1 means that 0 is divided with 1. So 1, 0, 0, it is well defined. That's why 0 by 1 is also an rational number. Okay, and all integers are also rational number, yes or no? Simply put the denominator as 1, we can make all the numbers in the form of rational. That's why we can say that in rational numbers it contains natural, whole and integers also. Okay, so all the naturals, wholes, whole numbers and integers, we can say that these are the rational numbers. Clear? Okay, so now see all the naturals, wholes and, but converse is not true. Okay, see, converse is not true. Whole number. Converse is not true. How? See, all the whole numbers are integer. Sorry, all the whole numbers are natural numbers. No, because whole number contains 0, but natural number does not contain 0. Yes or no? All the integers are natural number? No, because integers contain negative number, but the natural number does not contain any negative. All the rational numbers are integer? No, because rational number contain 2 by 3, but it is not a rational. Okay, converse is not true. Clear? I hope all are clear about these things. Okay, so simply we can say that the combination of rational and irrational are known as the real number. Clear? Now see how, why? Because rational number contain all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers, as well as all the integers also. That's why we can say that all the rational number and irrational number make this the real number. Clear? So simply if you want to summarize here through a diagram, so we can make the diagram like this. Okay, so chalo. So this is the real numbers. See, real numbers. Okay, we can divide the real number into two parts. Yes or no? What are these? The combination of rational and irrational. So you can write down rational here. And another one is irrational. Further, all the rational numbers we can divide into two parts. How? No. Rational numbers means what? Either maybe fraction or integers. Clear? Again, all the integers further divided into two parts. How? Either negative integers and the whole numbers. Okay. Again, we see whole numbers are also divided into two parts. One is the natural number and 0. Okay, clear? Again, the natural number can be further 5 types. What are these? One is prime, composite, then even, odd, and another one is very, very important, perfect number. Okay, see how. The real numbers are rational and combination of rational and irrational. We know rational number contain fraction and integers. Again, integers also contain negative integers as well as the whole numbers. Okay. Then also whole number contain natural number along with 0. So the natural numbers are also, there are 5 types. One is prime. You know what do you mean by prime number? Now the numbers which have contained no more than 2 factors. The number itself and 1 as the factors only. Okay. These are the prime numbers. And composite means more than 2 factors. Then even means which are divisible by 2. Yes or no? And the odd means which are not divisible by 2. Then the perfect number. Here this is the important things. Okay. So what do you mean by perfect number? Means what? If a number we take here as 6, what are their factors? 6, 1, 2 and 3. Except the number, okay, another factors. What are their another factors? 1, 2 and 3. If the sum of their another factors, 1 plus 2 plus 3, the sum is 6 itself. Yes or no? So these type of numbers are known as the perfect numbers. Means what? If their factors, sum of their factors, okay, is the number itself. Okay, sum of their factors except the number, the make their sum the number itself 6. Okay, so here we know that. उसके अलावा यार देखो आप 1 2 3 है ना उसका फैक्टर और 4 है कि 6 है, तो 1 2 3 को मिला दो तो कितना आ रहा है 6, द नंबर इटसेल्फ आ रहा है ना. तो जिस टाइप का नंबर में ऐसे हो रहा है तो उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं आप? परफेक्ट नंबर. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द ऑल अबाउट रियल नंबर्स. सो आई होप यू all are understood, and this is the I always think this will be helping to you in your bright future. So these are not concept of only school students and college students. So ये जो concept है ना उसको क्या है ना आप 7th standard से शुरू करके आप 12th तक आप पढ़ सकते हैं. एंड दीज आर द बेसिक अबाउट नंबर सिस्टम. आप जहाँ पे जाओ तो बेसिक होना जरूरी है. एंड नंबर सिस्टम का कंसेप्ट यदि आपके मन में है तो आप आगे जा सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द फंडामेंटल एंड फाउंडेशन. आप जो भी पढ़ लो ये रियल नंबर का कंसेप्ट वहाँ पे आता ही होगा. सो आई होप दिस इज हेल्पिंग फॉर यू. सो थैंक यू टू ऑल. दिस सो रखता हूँ, इतने में मैं रखता हूँ. नमस्ते, गुड बाय. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम हम दिखेंगे कि उसका एक्सटेंडेड वर्जन. ओके, आई होप दिस इज द हेल्पिंग फॉर ऑल यू गाइस. थैंक यू, गुड बाय, हैव अ ग्रेट